Okay, welcome back guys. If you know that you turn this off on your channel, make sure you turn on. From today YouTube will start recommend your video. Guys, I'm going to show you all the tips that they are going to help you to start recommended your video. Normally small YouTuber, they keep asking this question like, why YouTube they don't recommend my video, why people they got more views but me I don't get all these things. Maybe there was 1 2 3 you didn't turn on, or you didn't check the setting properly. Me, I didn't know before, I didn't do this more research, but the time I did research and I knew it, I did my mistake to switch off this one. So now I have to turn on, and from that time I start getting new people to start watching my video. So I'm going to show you one by one guys how you can turn on your recommendation from YouTube. This is going to help you if you know you're a small YouTuber and YouTube they don't recommend your video. Once you turn on this one, YouTube they will start recommend your video. A lot of people that are going to see your videos, and that time you start getting a lot of subscriber, your viewers, it will start growing. On that time you are going to build a good community. Let us start it guys. Hey, when you came here to your YouTube home tab, check this left side, your home tab, check the left side. If this is off, mine was off, I didn't know that, but later I knew this I have to do on. So on that time you switch this one on, say public. After that you have to go to your setting, start checking one by one. Okay guys, now we are going to start. You go here to the tab, click here to the tab. Once you click to the tab, check here. If this one was off like this, make sure you turn on. After that you go to ad section, check the ad section here on your channel. I'm going to check here to my ad section. I go spotlight for returning subscribers. So on this one you have to add all these things: for you, video, public video, short video, live now, past live stream, upcoming live stream, single playlist, create playlist, multiple playlist, members only videos, recognition, subscription, feature channel, top community tips. So on this, once you got this one, you start adding one by one. I'm going to start to the top one. I'm going to start with the past live stream. So if you are going on live stream, you click on this one, you add on the past live stream. Then I'm going to add another one again. I'm going to add the sport for returning subscriber. I'm going to add this one again. For example, I'm going to take one video of this one. I click here, then I've already add. You see here, it just a pop-up here, future video returning subscribers. I'm going to add another thing again. Anything is going to allow me to add, I'm going to add live now. When you are going live, you have to go on live now. I add that one. I add another thing again. Whatever it's going to allow me to add, I'm going to upcoming live stream. I'm going to click that one also. I add again. I'm going to single playlist. I will click the single playlist. I'm going to go to my playlist, all my playlist, single playlist. Then I'm going to look this one. I click this one. I'm going again to add section, single playlist. I've already add. I'm going to add multiple playlist. I'm going to check which one is the best. I'm going to click this one or any playlist I feel like is good. I'm going to add this one with the Kenya Gen Z. Click this one. I've already add on that. Again, stop. You see, what do you see here? It's not going to allow me to add anything. You can add up to all of section. It say that I can add until to all of section. So guys, you are going to check here. Did I get to all of section? I go this one, channel trailer. People who have 20 subscribers, they are going to see this one. This one is feature video for returning subscriber. They are going to see this one. This one is member recommendation. On this one is going to get all these things. They say like show, like here. If you check here, show the profile picture of the random selected member. That section will be appear only when you have 8 more members. It's going to appear this one on that time. Again, you go here for YouTube recommend fresh content basis on your viewers interested. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. That's what they say. Here they go to the setting. Let us check to the setting. You came here, you see on here, if this one are off like this, it's not going to allow me. You see here to the bottom, it says that at least one content must type be needed to select it. So if I select even video, you see it just disappear. If I switch off again, it's going to say the same. And if I go to this one, I switch on again, it's not going to be here. Then I'm going to switch off again and on the videos, then it's going to be like that, because it tells me that you have to select even one content. Make sure these 3 they are just on like this, not off 3 of them, because we are using this is video, this is short, this is live stream. So 3 of these are very important. So if you came here to the bottom, it says that all content recommended. YouTube always update for you the session with fresh content. All the time YouTube they just update any content is fresh, YouTube they are going to bring here. So on here it says that recent content only. If you say recent, so the difference between these two also, I'm going to tell you. If yours is like this, it means like YouTube they are going to recommend only the video that you upload within 12 months only. But if you got videos more than 12 months, YouTube they are not going to recommend. It means like this, you select only the video within 12 months. But this one is the all videos that you go, even if it's 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, even if it's 10 years, YouTube they will continue recommend your video to other people. But if you select this one, it's just only for 12 months videos. If your video is 13 months, like 365 days, YouTube they are not going to recommend to anyone. So we have to take to the all content recommend. So we are going to take this one, guys, and this is very, very important. It's going to help your channel to start growing, people to start see your content. So on that time, I'm going to say yes. I click that one. Then we came here to the videos. This is the type of content I take on my videos, 177. Then on single playlist, this is a single playlist I add now. There was not any video, but they might go and just recommend. YouTube they will start adding video on this one. Create playlist, all this my playlist. This one are short videos. These are the short videos. This one is popular video. These are the video they did good. They go more and more viewers on this one. That's why you just hear. This one is the past live stream. These are all the live stream I did. So all this you see, guys, the way it is. So this one is live now, upcoming live stream, single playlist, president stories. These are the all anything concerning with the president is going to be here. Multiple playlists is going to be here. So this is all. And how are you going to arrange? You can just arrange this one by grabbing this one with your this sign of hand here. Then you take up like this. So I don't want this one. I'm going to start from the top. I'm going to start with what am I going to start? I'm going to start with my video. I will grab this video like this. Then video is going to be here. You see, it's after this one. Then I'm going to take create playlist, not playlist, short. I need my short to be #1 on my videos. So you see, I'm going to put the short there. Short are here, then videos. Then what I'm going to add again, I'm going to check popular video. My video, those they perform good, I'm going to just grab and take to the top. Okay, I'm just taking like this. You see, these are my videos now here. It's supposed to be here. So this is my video. They perform good, the popular videos. Then I'm going to check play live stream. No, single playlist. No, I'm going to take this one maybe. Let me take this one. Create playlist. I'm going to grab playlist again. To the top. Is it the top? No, still. So I'm going to put here again. I'm going to grab a live stream, play live stream is here. Okay, play live stream. I'm going to grab play live stream. I put there. I'm going to take again a single president live stream on here. Then I'm going to grab properly until to the top. Then multi-playlist, this one multi-playlist is going to be somewhere here. Then I get all of them. So once I just arrange everything, you see the way I arrange all this, the way they look nice. After that, all this theme is supposed to be after. Then I'm going to say public. After that, I did of this. When I do public like this, from that time YouTube they will start recommend my video. So after that, YouTube will start recommend my video, and I will start getting a lot of subscriber, and watching hours is going to grow. Thank you very much, guys. See you next video. Bye bye.